Still not using your Instagram stories for your business? Well, if you're still on the fence with Instagram stories, then this video is for you. I give you my 4 Instagram business tips for 2019 that will make you an expert at Instagram stories. And also, I want you to stick around to the end for your free gift. I'm Dr. Yazdan, and I am a cosmetic dentist in Newport Beach, California. I help entrepreneurs build their businesses by branding themselves on social media and turning their passions into profits. As a cosmetic dentist, I have successfully grown quite a large social media presence that has exponentially increased my practice. So, for the best social media marketing strategy advice on how you can use social media to grow your business, just like I have, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest social media tips and tricks that will help you turn your passions into profits. So, if you're using Instagram for marketing your business, you should be using Instagram stories. It's a great way to build a deeper relationship with your audience. Since social media platforms, including Instagram, are really pushing for video use, you need to hop on the bandwagon as soon as possible. When people see you on video, they will be more likely to feel connected to you. And when your audience feels connected to you, naturally, they will engage with your account even more. And this, my friends, is one way of turning your followers into patients. Now, if you are in my program, Grow with Gram, there's an entire lesson on using Instagram stories that goes into great detail. So make sure you go back to that lesson, use the worksheets and the exercises I give you, and make sure that you start using Instagram stories to market your business. So let's talk about those 4 Instagram for business tips that you should be sharing on your stories so that you can grow your business on Instagram. Tip number 1 is to share behind the scenes everything. The easiest thing to share on Instagram stories is behind the scenes of your day. This could be you getting ready for work, maybe your daily routine, or even show behind the scenes of your day throughout the day. You can share videos and photos of things that are going on. Have fun with this one and mix it up. Share photos and ask questions and do videos that actually show your face. Do what feels natural, but have a lot of fun with it too. Now, if you're shy to be on camera, I've got some tough love coming your way. Get over it. And you know how you can get over it? By realizing that your feed isn't about you. It's actually about your audience. They don't care if your hair is messy or if your eyeliner is a little bit smeared across your face because you just got out of a really long procedure. They want to see what it's like behind the scenes. So don't be shy. Remind yourself that your feed is for your potential patients and it's not for you. Number 2 is going to be to share your work. If you're using Instagram to market your business, then this is a must. Share the work that you're doing on your Instagram stories. You want to make sure that you actually get permission from your patients first. Believe it or not, it's really easy to share what you're doing, how you do things, and it's really simple to share your practice on Instagram stories. Whenever you have some downtime throughout the day, start to share some of the equipment that you use and what you use them for. Talk about a specific product or procedure or service that you have to offer. It really is that simple. And once you start, you'll get into the groove and things will become a lot more natural for you. Number 3 is actually one of my favorites, and it's so simple. I want you to answer popular questions. I'm sure that you get a lot of questions from patients, friends, followers, etc., and these make for some great Instagram stories. You can quickly, or not so quickly, whatever you prefer, answer questions that you know your audience has. These pieces of content can be directly or indirectly related to what you specifically do. This is a great way to get a conversation started with your audience. Use the polls feature and question feature in the Instagram stories so that they can give their input on whatever topic you're talking about. I have personally had great success with this strategy, and each time I do a question feature or poll feature on my Instagram stories, I learn a whole lot of new stuff about my audience. Now, what I want you to do is to comment below with your most commonly asked question. Number 4 is going to be to motivate and inspire. The last thing that I think we forget about way too often is just showing up and being light for somebody. The people that are in your audience are fighting battles that you will never know about, and sometimes they come to you because of your transparency and want to be inspired. They want to see that things can get tough, but that you can push through them. They want to be motivated to keep pushing through whatever it is that they're going through. Really, sometimes they just want an escape, and your stories is a great way to help them with that. Now, the best way to take action on these steps is to write them down and create content that will fall into these categories for your Instagram stories. Each of these ideas are things that you can do while you're working, spending time at home, or if you're just out and about. Remember that the beauty about social media, especially Instagram stories, is that you get to bring people along for the ride of your life and your business. They get to be a part of the journey, and they love that. So down below, in the description of this video, I have a link to download my free Instagram guide for healthcare professionals. It basically gives you 30 captions that you can copy and paste when you're tired, or you could use them as templates when you're feeling creative but you just need a little bit of help. I also give you a daily Instagram strategy that you should be using if you're trying to grow your presence on Instagram. So you can get that by clicking on the link below this video. Finally, if you like this video, make sure to let me know by liking it below, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your fellow healthcare professionals. Also, comment below with the word Insta Stories if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.